shine. Oh, you sit there wondering, what's it that I'm gonna do to you? Yeah, I sit here thinking that maybe I'm chanting for you, for you. I can't take no more, I can't take no more. Gotta let these demons out, let them know what I'm about. I have been playing before, that's why I am this way. And now that you've heard the truth, please show me that you say, boy. He says he understands, and he can be what I need. I need, yeah. So I let him understand. This always happens to me, to me. Yeah. I guess now I know if he's different from the rest. I guess now I guess now I know, now I know, now I know, now I know, now I know. Yeah, yeah. He says he understands, and he can be what I need. I need. Oh, I let him understand. This always happens to me, to me, to me, to me. To me, baby, to me, baby. Oh, I'm toxic for you. He says he understands, and he can be what I need. I need. I let him understand. It always happens to